Several days later.
Alright, an update. So I got the bike all back together, and as you saw, it was snowing, so I had to wait a few days for it to be dry out and no longer snowy. The mod did not work, and I don't know exactly why. I could probably figure it out if I spent enough time fiddling around with the carb and stuff. But basically, just after coming off idle, giving it a little gas, it would just kind of fall flat on its face and stumble. And then I made the choice that I don't really want to be futzing around with it out on the trail or trying to get it to run just right. So I went ahead and ordered the Procycle Jet Kit. Just so I know that everything is right and how it should be. It'll be a little bit of peace of mind out there on the trail, and this thing should run great after I get that installed. So that's what we're going to do today, is take this apart again, put in the Procycle Jet Kit, and see where that gets us. So this is the Procycle Kit here. You can see it comes with some nice instructions for cutting your air box and where to place the C-clip on the needle. As you can see in here, we got the needle, got the new air fuel mixture screw, got a couple jets, and a drill bit for drilling out the slide. So that's what we're going to be doing today, putting that bad boy on. Alright, now it is time to get rid of the old needle. Let's take a look at the new needle here. I don't know if you can see the difference in profile there. Yeah, this one looks better. It's supposed to go on the fourth groove. Now we'll drill the slide out. There it is. Alright. Looks good. Now it's time to put it in the bike. Okay, apparently this next part's the fun part, and that's getting out the screws on the bottom without stripping. install the jet first, get that replaced, so we can put the floatable back on so there's no dust going in there. We'll be going to the 145 jet that's in the Procycle kit because I have stock exhaust. For the float bowl, Procycle actually, well, and for the top, Procycle includes these nice Allen key heads instead of these. I think these are Japanese industrial standard, don't quote me on that, it's Phillips head. They can get chewed up a little bit and become hard to replace. These are a lot better. Alright, finally got the plug out. Now let's get this screw out. There we go. So the new one is spring, washer, O-ring. So that's it. Now that fuel air mixture screw is in there. Screw it in clockwise until it gently bottoms out. Turn the screw out counterclockwise 2 revolutions. 2 revolutions. Now we have to modify the airbox. So I think before I cut the airbox, I'm probably just gonna remove the side cover of the probably just gonna remove the side cover here just to test and make sure it is good. And then if it runs good, I will then drill out the top of the airbox. Well, I think we can put the carburetor back in.
A few moments later.
Apologize if you guys missed any of it. Camera had ran out of space on the memory card, but just put the carb back in after replacing the needle in the jet and installing this idle mixture screw from Procycle. The whole process was super easy, straightforward. Directions from Procycle are great. Now we're just gonna put the fuel tank back on and get her all buttoned up and see how she runs. I took the side panel off of the air filter or of the airbox first before drilling the top. They say you can do either or, so I figure this is a less permanent solution. This will just give me an idea of what it's going to run like right now. If all is well, then I will go ahead and cut out the top of the airbox for continued use. So just going to put it back together and then we'll start her up. Let's open the garage up and see
2,000 years later.
Alright, so I know that I installed the Procycle Kit and was supposed to then, you know, show you guys the difference afterwards, but then I moved and the weather was bad, so now it's much later. But the good news is the Jet Kit fucking rocks, and I'm having a blast with the new feel of this bike. So far. First impressions after putting the Jet Kit in is a lot more response. You know, that probably comes from drilling the second hole in the slide, but a ton more response and just better all through the range. Realistically, feels a whole lot better through the range on the bike than that same torque that people love about the DR650 now is just even better than it was. It feels like a new bike. Feels like how the bike really probably should have from the factory. But yeah, definitely worth the money, worth the effort to put it in. Super happy. Definitely recommend the Procycle Jet Kit. Anybody looking for a cheap mod for their DR to give it a little more oomph and really open it up. But yeah, hope you guys like the video, and just gonna mess around here with this new power on the bike here. Yeah, man, this bike, I swear, so much fun. So much fun. This dirt, though, it is spectacular today. Holy crap, so good. So good. I don't know if I want to go down that right now. All right, I hope you guys tune in next time for a new video. Try and keep them coming as frequently as possible. Hopefully the weather starts getting better. It's been a little snowy. But until next time, peace.